Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. Well, why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in.
It can sometimes be quite difficult to get the exposure that you want when you're photographing a waterfall. If it's dark, particularly dark like it is in this area, then your shutter speed is going to be low, and if there's an awful lot of water, then it's just going to look as a white mass, whatever you do with it. So what I tend to do is take one exposure at ISO 100, so whatever the shutter speed is. I think in this case it was about a 6, and then bump the ISO up to about 2500 in this case, and take a shot so as fast as possible, so about 100th of a second, something like that. So you bring the two layers together in Photoshop, so you have the ISO 101 on the top, and then you have the fastest shutter speed behind. And then if you use a delete brush on, let's say 10-15%, something like that, you can just gradually wipe over where the white water is, and it start to expose some of that faster water till you get a consistency that you like.
Can you
So this is Clydach Gorge. I saw some pictures on Flickr of quite a stunning waterfall, so I had to find it, and that's what I just showed you there. I am contemplating now whether to go back and get the waders out of the car and walk out into the middle. It's slippy as hell, to be honest, so I'm not sure. Anyway, hopefully got some decent images there anyway, even if I don't go and get my waders. But this is a fascinating place. There's supposed to be some ancient ironworks as well, so that's what I'm to try and find now. Well, it wouldn't be Wales without a nice 45-degree hill to climb, would it? If you climb out of that gorge, there's a really steep hill for about a mile, I suppose, and then you follow a signposted path and it brings you to this disused railway. There's nothing photographic, but it's a hell of a view. So just walking down this path and I spotted this tree and I just had to stop and get the camera out. Look at those roots. With a wide angle lens, that should look spectacular. Wow. So the rain started to come down now and I've called it a day. The ironworks seems to be a tourist attraction, so it's somewhere you can go and pay, I guess. But anyway, that's enough for this week. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did and you're not subscribed already, please remember to. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.